Hello there, and thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I will be planning for the month of January, first month of 2019. So let me flip there. And what I think I'd like to do is, for the month of January, I think I'm going to go with a snowflake theme, but then also incorporate a few New Year's Eve stickers. I have all my seasonal books out, and then I also got the Happy Box, and it's got a lot of fun quotes going into the new year. So I'll see how this plays out. It looks like a lot of doctor's appointments, but I'm having nasal surgery in January, so not looking forward to it, but it's filling up my calendar. Think of anything, I'll fill this in, but I typically try to have something written on every day of the month. And again, it can be the littlest of things. But like, let's see here, put this in December. This is how December is filling up. So yeah, don't really have it all in there. But, oh, there we go. I just try to have something written on each day. Yeah, I've already moved out in November, so I was getting ready for January. But yeah, not bad. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the sections below, and I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.